Good morning, grade 4. Welcome back to grade 4 mathematics class. How are you all doing today? Today, let's learn how we can find the duration of an event or an activity. So for an activity or an event, there should be a starting time and there will be a time in which it ends. So to find out the duration of something, what you have to do? Let's see. The time duration for an activity can be found out by subtracting the starting time from the finishing or reaching time. So just subtract the starting time from the finishing or reaching time. Let's make it more clear with some examples. So the first one, Anil started for his office at 7:45 a.m. and reached at 8:55 a.m. How much time did he take to reach his office? So what is given in the question? So the time in which he started from home is given, which is given as 7:45 a.m. And the time he reached the office at 8:55 a.m. So how long it took for him to reach the office? So we have a starting time and we have a reaching time. So just subtract the starting time from the reaching time to find out the duration of his travel. So let's see the steps. The reaching time is equal to 8:55 a.m. and the starting time is equal to 7:45 a.m. Now, the duration of time is equal to the reaching time minus starting time, which is equal to 8:55 a.m. minus 7:45 a.m. So, let's do the subtraction in the working column. So, here we have drawn a grid in which one column is for hours and the other one is for minutes. So 8:55, when written like this, it means that the hour is 8 and the minutes is 55 minutes. So we have 8 in the hours column and 55 in the minutes column. And the starting time, in the hours column we have this 7 written and in the minutes column we write this 45. Now just do the subtraction starting from the minutes column. So here it is 5 minus 5, 0, 5 minus 4, 1. Now moving to the hours column, we have 8 minus 7, which is equal to 1. So we got the difference as 1 hour and 10 minutes. So what is the duration of his travel? The duration is equal to 1 hour, 10 minutes. That is the time that Anil took to start from home and reach his office. So let's see the next example. Students left school for the museum at 8:45 a.m. and reached the museum at 9:50 a.m. How long did they take to reach the museum? So, what is given in the question? We have a starting time and we have a reaching time. So, how to find out the duration? Just subtract the starting time from the reaching time. So, let's write the steps. The reaching time is equal to 9:50 a.m. and the starting time is equal to 8:45 a.m. So, the duration of time is equal to reaching time minus starting time, and that is equal to 9:50 a.m. minus 8:45 a.m. So, doing the subtraction in the working column, we have this 9 in the hours column and this 50 in the minutes column, and then this 8 in the hours column and this 45 in the minutes column. Now let's start subtracting the minutes column first. So here it is 0 minus 5, which we cannot do, so just borrow from the next place. So here it becomes 4 and here it becomes 10. So now 10 minus 5, which is equal to 5, and here it is 4 minus 4, which is equal to 0. So that means it is 5 minutes. Now moving to the hours column, we have 9 hours minus 8 hours, which is equal to 1 hour. So what is the difference? The difference is 1 hour, 5 minutes. So that is the duration that the students took to travel from the school to the museum. They took 1 hour, 5 minutes to reach the museum. Now let's see one more example. A football match started at 8:35 a.m. and got over by 11:45 a.m. What was the total duration of the match? How do we find this? Let's see the steps. The finishing time is equal to 11:45 a.m. and the starting time is equal to 8:35 a.m. as given in the question. Now the duration of time or the duration of that match is equal to the finishing time minus the starting time, which is equal to 11:45 a.m. minus 8:35 a.m. Now let's do the subtraction in the working column. There we have this 11 in the hours column and this 45 in the minutes column. Then this 8 in the hours column and this 35 in the minutes column. Now doing the subtraction, let's see, this 5 minus 5 equals 0, 4 minus 3 equals 1. So that means it is 10 minutes. Now in the hours column we have 11 hours minus 8 hours, which is equal to 3 hours. So what is the difference? The difference is 3 hours 10 minutes. So the duration of the football match was 3 hours 10 minutes. So I hope this is clear to you. Now you can go through this topic duration of time in page number 156 to 157. There is one more example given in your textbook. Now you go through the topic once and then move on to exercise 11.3. In exercise 11.3, you have 3 questions and you have to work out all these questions in your notebook. And also in page number 157, you have the high order thinking skills question. There are 3 questions given there. Go through these questions also and do accordingly. Then in the next page, page number 158, you have the value education question and the life skills question. So you go through that as well and do accordingly. So that's all for today, children. Hope this was clear to you. We'll meet in the next class with a new topic. Till then, bye.